Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're doing one for the maintenance and repairs section of the channel. In mounting and assembly and disassembly of this bit here, I probably accidentally broke off the activator for the front brake light sensor or brake light switch. It has an actuator, a small pin that clicks when you hit the front brake in order to activate the brake light. So I've been waiting for the part to replace it. Got it here. We're gonna install that. It's a really easy install, but figure I might as well show you. All right. So this is the new brake light switch assembly. It's a really easy part. This is the actuator. You can hear it click. And what happened is probably that I nicked it sideways, so the rubber boot that sits around it broke off, and this part that holds the pin inside the assembly broke off. So it's just a matter of undoing the old one and installing the new switch. So the front brake light switch sits right here. It's this cable underneath here, and it's just a matter of undoing one screw. Like that, and the whole assembly comes out. Then all you have to do is disconnect the flat blade clamps, and there goes the pin. And then installing the new one. Make sure to seat the rubber gaskets to give it some protection against the environment. I don't know if you can see this, but inside here is the part of the brake lever that actually interacts with the actuator. So make sure you don't knock it, just install it up like that. As you can see, the way it works is that if you let go of the brake, it actually presses the actuator in, and as soon as you hit the brake lever, it loosens it out. Now it grabs a bit too late, so we might adjust that slightly. Let's try it there. Put on the ignition. Yep, that seems about right. Let me just show you the failed brake light switch here. Inside here is the actuator, and this is the pin that's supposed to be attached there in order to actuate. I actually rode around with this a couple of days waiting for the new part. Since the brake lever is, when it's not activated, it's holding the pin in. So as long as I didn't brake really hard, there was no way for the pin to escape. Nevertheless, it's of course it had to be swapped out anyway. So that's a real simple repair done to the bike. Hope that helps someone. I'll see you next time.